Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add Chrome profile in Google Chrome browser. So if you want to do that, first of all, open a browser like opening this browser, and after that you can see here is a profile icon. Click here. If you set up a new browser, then you will see sign in option or add profile. So I already have a profile and now I want to add another profile, so that click to this profile icon and then add Chrome profile and then click to sign in. Write your email here and then click to next. Enter your password. After that, click to next again and then yes, I am in. And that's it. It's a very simple tricks, I think. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.